So while we've been holed up in San Jose in the hotel room waiting for the car to be repaired, I've also been in contact with the guy from Nikita who is sourcing our track pads. He has been so kind to offer to come and drop off the track pads at our hotel room while we're still waiting for the car to be picked up. But now I have to figure out when we get the car back how I'm gonna mount them onto the car because I don't have a drill to make the holes. So he has arrived.
Thank you for coming. I appreciate it so much.
So these are the new tracks that we just got. And I worry about rust, but he did say that they are coated with zinc or something like that. So hopefully it won't be too bad. Came all the way out here to deliver the recovery tracks to me, and 40 minutes away from here. I'm really thankful. Today I am catching an Uber to go check and see if our car is done. So wish me luck. The car is not ready quite yet. They said they have all the parts, everything is great. They didn't actually need to replace the discs on the rear, so they're just gonna resurface them. They should be fine. And then they want to road test it, make sure everything is good, everything is safe, put everything back together, and then I can pick it up either on tomorrow or Friday. So I finally get to pick up the car. It's raining buckets right now. Well, not really buckets, but it was raining buckets earlier, and it's all ready to go.
I think this is the cleanest I've seen Dusty the Mudslinger in a year, maybe.
So we came to the shop to get the holes drilled in the recovery track. The problem is these ones over here are a little thinner than those ones over there. So instead of drilling through the tracks themselves, Max over here is being so gracious and he's gonna drill new holes. Yeah. All right, so that works right through the handholds.
Good.
Yep. So out with the old
and in with the new.
I mean, they look old. They're only a few years old.
Yeah.
Like a little stream crossing. This has been fun so far. This is ridiculous. So today we are going to the Mill Church, which is a church that is made out of sheet metal.
This church is made of all sheet metal. Really ornate stained glass windows, and really everything is made of sheet metal. And all of these doors are also made of metal. Join us next time when we go to Sarchi and visit the world's biggest ox cart.